Hello everyone. Today we are making crispy and flavorful spinach chickpea patties, a healthy and delicious dish. Just look at that, crispy outside and soft inside. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.